Look at this full table. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna need to buy some stuff. Love shopping at Ikea. I love Ikea. Even though their stuff are cheap. Like cheap, not the price, you know. But I just love it. So I'm here today to look for shelvings for our project that I've been showing you. And the best place to purchase shelves at a cheaper price, it's Ikea. We've done that many times in some of our properties. Look at this full table. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna need to buy some stuff. Somebody left their cart over here. I'm gonna steal it. So pretty. Gives me a lot of ideas. This is pretty. I have this holiday feels. This is so pretty. Oh, okay, look at these shelves, but that's not the kind of shelf I'm looking for. Hopefully they still have the shelves that I've purchased before. Look at this. Right, so I want something like this size. Yeah, and that's 100. Oh, the combination with the brackets. But these are expensive. That's not the kind I'm looking for. You don't want to spend too much money. I'm not about to spend too much money. So let's keep looking. Oh, look at holiday decoration. Oh my gosh. I don't have much time, so I can't stop at every. Look at this library. So pretty. All right, guys. This looks like what I'm looking for. And look at the brackets. Nice. They're still kind of expensive. I wonder if they have other. I know I've purchased some that are cheaper than that. We're gonna have to keep looking. There are some more, but I don't. These are wide, but we are getting there. Let's get my card. And these are the kitchen. Who likes IKEA kitchen? They're not bad. Not bad. I love the simplicity of the kitchen. I love. I'm more of a traditional kitchen. I don't like too modern, like kitchens that are too modern. So look at these shelves. These are less thicker, but these are still kind of wide. I don't want something this wide. But here, look at this kitchen. It's beautiful. I like the feel of it. It's warm, inviting. Look at this bedroom. I just love the mood. It feels romantic. Look at this. Love it. Love the pop of red. The wall color. It's like a grayish, greenish. This is lovely. Nice. Look at the wall color and the pop of yellow. This is so nice. Anyway, I have to go back and look for my shelves. This is nice. All right, guys, I think I found what I was looking for. Look at that price. All right. This might be kind of small, smaller than, but we'll see because it's not a huge kitchen. We just need something like some shelvings where people can put like a few stuff, like glass, not heavy stuff, but we need shelvings. So I'm happy. This is the price I was telling you about. Yeah, it's on sale. There are others here. But you know, this one is $15. You see the difference? This one is wider, but it's $20. But they're way cheaper than the ones that are in the showrooms. You know, showrooms, they have to use their best quality. So I need brackets to hold the shelvings. So I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll get 4 because I think we need about 2, like small shelvings. I don't know. Let's look around and see what else they have. You know, I don't want to go for the cheapest, you know. But something. Look at this one. It's bigger. It's longer. But I didn't take the dimensions. The walnut one, this one, is $15. The white one, it looks like this one. It's white. It looks like it's $20. Oh, it's $15 too. Now, dilemma. Should I get the walnut or white? Because the kitchen is a small kitchen, the white, if I get walnut, it might seem too busy. So the white one will just, because the paint is like a grayish paint, the white will kind of disappear. The walnut will just like, it will be a pop of color. So I think I want the white one instead, because then it will look less busy. So I'm gonna get 2. Yeah, that's it. I found what I was looking for, and then I got a few things for myself. You can go to Ikea and buy it, and don't buy and not buy things for yourself. So anyway, now I purchased more than what I came here for. It's Ikea, you know. I'm on my way now to the property. I'm just gonna go and see and drop the shelves so that the contractors can actually install them. Alright guys, so this is what I was talking about. We are in the kitchen right now, and these are the cabinets. I thought we were going to change the cabinets, but we are not. We don't have the budget for it, so I'm thinking of maybe painting the cabinets. Yeah, I don't know what we can do about the backsplash. I just don't like the feel. It just doesn't look right to me. So, but here is the area where I wanted to add in some shelves. As you can see here, there are some brackets. I don't know what the bracket there was for, but we need to take off the bracket and just install the shelves, the 2 shelves. I think they'll fit. I was worried that, you know, the shelving that I got were maybe too big, but I think these This will fit, right? Yeah, I think they will fit. We can put them here. You see that if it was wider, it will take too much space in the kitchen since the kitchen is small. So this is going to be perfect. This is going to be perfect. We can even move it all the way up here. It's going to be perfect. So and then we're gonna install like one and another one up there. It's going to be perfect.